No, you're not going to touch me.
My threshold, I am licensed by the government to use physical force to remove you. That's up to you, mate.
You don't touch me.
I'm easy with it.
Easy. Don't touch me.
Why not?
Because I'm telling you not to.
Yeah? The whole country's on a heightened alert for terrorism, and you think it's okay that any Tom, Dick and Harry can just walk on here?
I do think it's okay, yeah.
You're off your head.
I'm not off anything.
There's no transport plan.
It's private property, you can't go in there.
There's no
you go in
transport
there, you'll be arrested.
For what?
Yeah.
For arrested for what?
Being handling any policy.
For what? Vagrancy Act?
What starts here feels calm, routine, almost forgettable just a few questions outside a police site with nothing obviously dangerous unfolding. But once authority steps in, the tone hardens into threats of force, terrorism, and arrest. So how did something this ordinary spiral into a confrontation this serious before it was over? This is not recreation or stock footage. This is real life, captured by koleeberks. Every second shown is authentic. The full, uncut source footage is available in the description because truth matters more than presentation.
Okay, bye. Who said if you want to do it, that's fine? As far as I'm concerned, that's an invitation. What do you reckon? Oh, have you got the land registry printed off? No. Oh. Wherever I want. Huh. No, you're not going to touch me.
My threshold, I am licensed by the government to use physical force to remove you. That's up to you, mate.
You don't touch me.
I'm easy with it.
Easy. Don't touch me.
Why not?
Because I'm telling you not to.
Yeah.
Routine contact turns physical here. The warning about force tells you everything. Authority first, explanation later, and escalation within reach.
Is it?
No.
Well, why are you doing it?
I want to.
Really?
Yeah.
Quite sad then, really, isn't it?
Why?
Well, come to the police station filming people.
Okay, well, you're welcome to turn around.
Well, I'm not turning around nowhere, mate.
Okay, don't.
Yeah, units on route though.
Yeah, that's all we see, mate.
Did you not hear what I said about the land registry?
Don't care about the land registry, mate.
You don't care about land registry, so you don't care about laws.
We've got signs here that say you can't go on the road. You've just broken that law.
Which law is that?
It's basically your
Those signs don't hold in these sort of jurisdiction.
mate. Due to counter-terrorism, you're not allowed on here. Simple as that.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. You've been here before, haven't you?
I have not been here before.
I've got you on film here before.
I've definitely not been here before.
Counter-terrorism gets invoked fast. The moment they reach for national security language, a camera becomes suspicious and movement becomes suspect.
Yeah? The whole country's on a heightened alert for terrorism, and you think it's okay that any Tom, Dick and Harry can just walk on here
I
without
do
being
think it's
stopped?
okay, yeah.
You're off your head, mate.
I'm not off anything.
An implied right of access.
I'm not only that, remember what I said about the land registry?
Right, so where's the land registry? Have you got a copy of it on you?
I can show it to you.
Let's have a look.
I don't have a copy of it
Oh,
on
there
me.
you go. You're not prepared, are you? You know, people filming and that. You know, we've all got
this one
families.
on
No, I don't have any internet.
That'll go on some crap thing online.
All right, try and reserve, try and keep your opinions to yourself.
Because you think that's
No,
good to
I'm
you.
not putting anyone
Mate,
at
you're
risk.
a big man, aren't you?
Well, then, let's keep our opinions to ourselves. Yeah,
Yeah,
you're in uniform. You're at work. Like, I don't need to hear your opinion. Like.
Mate, I've been filmed probably 300 times on it.
Excellent. So then.
Never mind my name.
He argues access, they argue fear. That contrast is exactly why this section matters most in the final edit here.
Mate, you got a shoulder number. You carry on, mate. Do
What's
it.
your name?
No, I'm not telling you. I don't have to.
Don't have to.
Data protection. I thought you knew the law.
So freedom of information, I can actually request your
you
info.
can't. No, you
Yeah,
can't.
you're working for the public sector.
No.
So under freedom of information, I can request to find out who you are.
I think you're wrong.
You think
I
I'm
know
wrong?
you're wrong. So what's your name?
I'm not going to give my
Well,
name.
there you go.
Well, I don't work for the public sector, do I?
Neither do I, mate. I'm a private company.
You are a private company, are you?
We are.
Okay. I thought you wanted to get hands on. What happened?
Too old for it, mate.
Don't fancy it.
Too old. Done all the door work, through the strokes out when I was younger.
You seem like a hard nut, though.
I was when I was younger.
You're not anymore.
Not anymore, mate.
The private security mask slips here. He asks for accountability, they deny being public, and the exchange gets more personal.
Where they come in and out. Some come in and out of the entrance here.
some come in and out of the entrance over that way. It completely depends what department it is.
Do you mind taking your hands out of there?
I can put my hands in my stab vest if I'd like to.
It's just a bit inappropriate, like you're talking to a member of the public. It almost seems as if your hands are on your...
No. All right.
Okay, can we help you?
No, I've asked if I can help you. That was all.
No, can we just wander around, have an escorted
No,
tour?
absolutely not.
Why not?
Because this is a private scene,
Right.
okay? There's even signs here saying no unauthorised access, so unless you've got authority to come onto the site, then you can wait outside and watch the police cars if that's what you're here to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you aware that the
Police arrival raises the stakes immediately. Even body language becomes contested, which is what makes this encounter feel so tense.
You know it's illegal not to have a title plan. And there's no title plan here. It's illegal to do that.
Right?
So the HQ is actually registered on the other side of the road, so we can't be trespassing. Does that make sense?
Well, as you can see, it's no unauthorised access, so you're not going to come onto site.
And if we do,
if you do, you'll be removed and escorted off the site.
who's gonna do that?
It's private land.
Private taxpayer pays for it.
Trespass, it'll be a civil matter.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah,
We want an escorted tour.
No, if you want to come in, I mean, you're going to have to speak to, well, it's about getting authority for the access point.
This is the core legal dispute: signs, trespass, title plans, and access rights. Nobody sounds fully confident, which says plenty.
What do you reckon? Stay, go?
Yeah, I want to know what legislation we'd be breaking if we walked on here. Because that would be a civil matter. It's an implied right of access. So
There's
I
not,
don't know.
because there's no unauthorised access, and my security colleagues have even told you that.
And they can revoke your implied right of access. But again, the land registry is the title plan suggests that the HQ is based on the other side, so the trespass can't really begin.
Okay, but you can see that.
There's nowhere to trespass. Do you understand?
Okay,
There's no title plan. So if there's no title plan, how would we know where we?
I don't work in the land registry.
But you should know this.
No, I shouldn't.
You should.
I shouldn't.
If you're
Alright,
enforcing the
well-
law and you're saying it was trespassing.
A direct legal question should narrow the issue. Instead, the answer drifts, and that drift makes authority look uncertain here.
Alright, that's your problem. Alright, nick me then. Nick me. Bro, you're a security guy, man. Just shut up, man.
Threatening us. The way that you came out was threatening us. I don't threaten.
You saying that you was going to put hands on me and that?
I said I'm licensed by the law, by government, to use reasonable
Yeah, yeah.
No, do it
remove you
then.
from these
Do it then.
Huh?
Do it then.
You're not doing anything to make me do it, are you?
Alright, well, you just said you were feeling like harassed and threatened.
Well, you are. By talking to me like that, I feel threatened now.
Well, how am I talking to you?
You're threatening me, mate.
I've threatened you, have I? Alright, mate. Why are you not a police officer? Excuse me?
Public order. That's not trespass.
So
That's
what?
public
So
order.
I haven't used any swear words. I haven't caused anyone to feel harassed, alarmed, distressed. How could it be a public order? And this isn't even a public place.
It's a beautiful thing, my friend.
Frustration finally breaks the surface. Once threat and public order language appear together, the conversation stops feeling balanced at all.
You don't know him.
Did you just say, where are you? I can help you with that bit.
Hello, James.
Hello.
Right, what you after?
Just making a video.
On George Cheshire, he got dismissed from or was going to get dismissed from this site.
Well, that's new to me. You've just said you were watching police cars.
Sorry?
You
No, I
said
asked.
you were
No,
watching
I
police
didn't. I asked where the police cars were coming in and out.
Yeah, because you've come to watch police cars, is what you told me.
No.
You're by main entrance, right there. And there's the security box.
Can we help you?
Yeah, come to report about George Cheshire was dismissed was going to be dismissed from the force. Okay. Dealing with indecent child.
He was sending messages to minors, essentially.
This clip reconnects the confrontation to the allegation behind it. The filming becomes a challenge about accountability, not curiosity alone.
You want to go in there?
Yeah, can we have an escorted tour, please?
No.
Why?
It's private property.
I know.
There's no title plan.
Sorry?
There's no title plan.
It's private property. You can't go in there.
There's
If you
no
go in there,
title
you'll be
plan.
arrested.
For what?
Yeah.
For arrested for what?
For being found in any closed premises.
So what? Vagrancy Act?
No, it's just being found in enclosed premises.
What offence is that?
I've just told you what the offence is.
You haven't said anything. You just said something about enclosed
You
area.
don't need to go in there. That's it. I mean, if you want to stay videoing police vehicles, that's entirely up to you. You can come in there.
On a what legislation?
I think so.
Enclosed. That's not a legislation.
What section
You can
is
argue.
that?
I don't know what section it is.
Well, you should know really before making threats of arrest.
There's loads of sections, there's loads of law. We don't know everything.
The arrest warning lands hardest because the justification still feels thin. Power moves first. Legal clarity trails behind again here.